Greetings everyone. Welcome to this video called C Sharp Beginner Course. This is introduction. And of course, my name is Mkhulisi Salava. So first of all, I'd like for you guys to please like, subscribe, comment, or unlike this video even if you don't like it, so that we can engage and see how we can make C Sharp better and we can all come together as a community and work. So basically, I wanted to create this tutorial because there's a lot of videos on YouTube about learning C Sharp, but I feel like the way I learned it is the way that I'd like other people to get to learn it. So I've been coding C Sharp for over 2 years now. And when I started, I had no coding background, nothing at all. So yeah, so basically C Sharp is a simple, modern, general purpose object-oriented programming language. If you don't know what that means yet, you don't have to worry. It was created by Microsoft and it uses the .NET initiative. So in this tutorial, we're just going to learn the basics of C# programming, and we will integrate until we reach the advanced concepts related to this coding or programming language. So a simple overview about this thing. Getting started, we use an integrated development environment, which is called an IDE, to edit and compile our C# code. I made another video before to show you how to download Visual Studio 2019. It's the one I used. Yeah. So all applications are written in C#. They use a .NET framework, as I have explained before, but you don't have to worry about that now. And then after we start a new project, we will see some code. We'll see something like using system, namespace, class programming, all those types of things. So let us start our Visual Studio right now. So you see here, I'm creating a new project. So console application, so we can even create Windows forms, but don't worry about that now. Class libraries, console app, don't worry about all those now. Console application, the .NET framework. You click next and hello application 01. And this is the project's name. This is the location in your computer where you want it to be saved. Creating. Voila. So you see, this is something similar to what we saw here, but without this line, of course. So here we go. Here we go. We have our environment now. So we're going to be creating our first Hello World program, the most famous Hello World program ever. So a C# program would consist of the following normally: a namespace, the one that you can see here, namespace, a class. It can have multiple classes, not just this. So even if I came here and I said class Hello World, and then I open a new class, you see I also have a class. I'll remove that for now because you don't need it. I have a class. It has class methods. The methods inside this class, can be multiple methods. This is called the main method. And this one is called the main method. And have class attributes, statements, and expressions. Can have comments and a lot of other things inside. So let us create our. What is important first is let's look at the types of comment. So we have what we call line comments. This is a line comment. 2// and then you type whatever you want to type. As soon as you go out, you can't say anything else. So this, if you have a / and the star, sorry, the star, and then the star, and another / this is called block comment. So whatever you type here will remain inside here because this is a block comment. So that's important because you might be, I don't know, maybe I want to explain what this line does. I will say this line prints hello world. You know, this line prints hello world. So underneath that line, I will start my code. So when we're printing something to the console, we use console.writeLine.write line. You press enter, and then you will open the 2 parentheses or brackets, and then you will put in your quotation marks, and then you will type whatever you want to print. Hello world. When you are done, you must always put in the semicolon. This is very important in C#. Without it, you will get this red squiggly line. You will see here, this red squiggly line. So it shows what is expected. You will put it on. After you are done typing whatever you want to write in your main method, you must finish it off by writing console.readLine, parentheses, and a semicolon again. So let us see what this thing will say. If it would really print hello world, we come to start, and we wait. Oh wow, it does say hello world. We have compiled our first ever project. So let's take a look at this thing. So this line is saying using system. The using keyword is used to include the system namespace in the program. So we can get a lot of using system based on what we want to use. So system.collection, generic, system.link, system.text. But all of these are not important to us right now. But it's important to know that we can always include, I can maybe say using system.io, if I wanted to read files. But all of these things are not important yet, but you must know that you can always include using system. This one, namespace. Namespace, basically what it does is, this is a collection of all your classes. Inside whatever class you will use, this namespace is a collection of all the classes that will be inside. And this one, class. As I explained before, class can have multiple methods inside. This is just the main method, but I can have another method here. Maybe my name. I can have, this is another method, but you don't have to worry about that. You just know that a class can have many methods in it. And then this one is a main method. Everything that we wanted to be compiled and to be printed out on the screen, we will put here in the main method. Everything that we need to put here in the main. And console.writeLine is when we want to type something, to print something to the console, print something to console. And in this case, hello world. We can also use console.write. Console.write. What is missing? Exactly, semicolon. So, hello. What the difference between console.writeLine and console.write is this one. I will use line comments. This one prints in a new line. And this one prints in the same line. To prove this, I will also have another console.write here. .write. And I will type same line. What is missing? Exactly. And then I will start the program, And then you see hello world, hello, same line. It's in the same line. But when we were typing it here, we typed it in different line. So this is the problem between the difference between write line and console.write. Console.read key, we always put this at the end so that the console will stay here. See, the console will stay here. If we don't have, what happens if we don't have this? Let's just like comment it out and then we press start. You will see the console will start and will finish. So it started and it ended, but we didn't see what was happening. So you must have this console.read line whenever you are typing. What else? So I think, yeah, that's basically it. We have completed our first Hello World application. Hopefully I will make kind of videos moving forward, and then you can always interact. So thank you so much. Again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Even unlike, if you're not happy about something, and we can take it from there and see where to go and how to help each other. Thank you so much from me. Peace out.